I've been watching about this in Instagram. First one is smells so good. This is good for before your makeup. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. We're doing a monthly subscription unboxing. It comes from Boxycharm. I do have a 2 months of unboxing is because this one it's like the June and July. This is actually my first time doing Boxycharm unboxing. I think the last time I did it was like with Etsy. It's like trying to compare it, but this one is just a Boxycharm. I've been watching about this in Instagram and I love how they do a skincare and a makeup, so I'm really excited to see what inside on this box. Let's open this one and see what we have. The first one is this one. This is a body wash. This is wild lavender. I love lavender. I do have a lavender plant outside. It smells really good. Smells so good. I'm gonna put it in my bathroom. I do have a lot of body wash now. This one is the lavender. It's something new and I love lavender scent. So gonna put this on the side right there. Next one is coconut skin. This one is a moisturizer. Actually, I saw this in Instagram. It's a dermatologist tested. This is good for before your makeup, safe for sensitive skin, which is my skin is very sensitive. I do have a lot of allergies, so I just make sure that my moisturizer actually that I use are more like for sensitive skin. This one pretty vulgar. This is under eye concealer. I wanted to try it. I like this one because it looks like it's my skin color. This is a really nice. It's set really well too. It's really good because usually when you do receive some like foundation, concealer in the mail, 90% is not gonna work because they don't know what your skin tone or your skin color or something like that. They just assume that you might need it. So most of the time when I do receive something like this, it's not my skin. But this one, I'm impressed. I like this. I'll probably have to order like just this concealer alone because it looks really good on my skin. The fourth items on this box is this one. This is what it looked like. That's the color. It is a highlight, blush, and bronzer. Oh my god, it's really nice. So I just did my makeup with this box. Oh, it is really cool. We just used the very end for contour. So next is like the blush one right here. So what I really like is the blush is actually already have the highlights. You see how you guys can tell? Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Put a little bit more of the highlight. I like this. I want to use this very light one over here, put it in my inner corner of my eyes. It's really glowing. It's beautiful. So we'll do the last items on this box. This is a bright color. You know, they have that brown one over there. I'm just want to do a natural look because I'm just not going anywhere or I'm not doing any like a really colorful makeup, so this one is not gonna be today for me, so probably the next time. Now we're going to the second box. I hope they do have like lipstick for this one. Crossing my finger. Here are the items. So the first one, it's lip oil. Is the Bessie Beauty. Is a lip oil. I do have a lot of lip oil now, which I love them because it gives a moisturizer of your lips. The second items on this box is the 8-in-1 CBD. This is for the hair, which is I have not used this one before or seen this one before. I can't tell you guys if it's great or not, but I will definitely try this, especially my hair is really hard to take care most of the time, since my real hair is actually the curly one. So this one is more the fine hair and then medium twist thick mist. So the third items is this. This is Beauty Bake. It is a setting powder. We just put some concealer. So this is gonna be perfect. And it's nice too because they're not white. So it's more like a ivory. This is where our concealer earlier. I can't have enough good thing to tell you guys that concealer really looks good on my skin and actually set really well too. And it cover, can you guys tell that it's still there, but you can barely see the pimples. And this is from Beauty Bakerier. It's so cool, it's because they have that case and then this one, so it's pretty cool. But anyway, that it's the third items. So the fourth items that in this box is Mad Masky. It is a serum. It's vitamin infused eye serums, which is must, because I do put eye serum morning and evening because I mean you have to put an eye serum for your skincare. Just letting you guys know, doing your skincare, right skincare when you're still young, it really does help when you get older. This is the last items, and this is a vegan free. This is the eye palette. Wow! And it does have, it gives you a name of this eyeshadow. It does give you the glitter if you love makeup with the glitter. This is right over here on the very top, all the glitter one. And if you look down, the color are right over here, all the matte color, which is they gave you from ivory one straight down to here, which is like the dark. But the one thing about it is that I wish they would do is putting the name of the color below on the eyeshadow rather than keeping this cover, because you know eventually you probably lose this one, then you will never know what color you use on this palette, so you can't tell them if you lose this one. So that's the only downside about this palette, but other than that, everything is actually great. And I love this color. As I was using it earlier, this brush is really nice. I really like the color. It's like a very simple look. Anyway guys, everything that we got from this 2 months of monthly subscription, it's really nice. I love it. One of my favorite in this 2 bags is definitely for the makeup is the concealer, the glow one, and of course this palette. This one is too, I love it, but this is, I really love how it blended really well. It's super nice. The concealer is, on the other hand, I will definitely go look their own website and see what they have. Especially this one, I know that's gonna be my color. The skincare is my favorite one. This one is the serum because I do love the ingredient and it's for your eyes. This one too is the moisturizer because they are for sensitive skin. Everything that they sent it to me, really nice. I love the items. I played with it, I tested it. It's really cool. I'm really excited for the next items that I would receive for August. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe it now, and so you won't miss any of my review and my unboxing. So see you guys again later.